In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete user in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few practical tips so you can remove someone's access without losing important data. Before you start, make sure you're signed in with admin privileges or have permission to manage users. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need to ask your CRM administrator to complete the process. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're in, look to the top right of the interface for the Setup or Settings icon. Click it to open your CRM's configuration area. Think of this as your command center for everything related to users, security, and overall system behavior. Inside the setup area, head to the General Settings section. This is where most organization-level controls live, including user management. If your layout groups these items under users and control, that's fine. What you're looking for is the place that lists every user in your CRM. Open the Users page. You'll see your active users along with details like their roles and profiles. Find the user you want to remove and click their name to open their details. If your list is long, use the search bar or any available filters to pinpoint the right person. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct user. Double-check their email and role if visible, and consider whether they own any critical records like leads, contacts, or deals that need to be reassigned. On the user's details page, look to the right-hand panel or actions area and choose Delete this user. This action revokes their access and frees up a license seat. It also stops any future CRM activities generated via their account, such as email sends from their mailbox. If you use automation or workflows where this user is a participant or an owner, plan to refresh those assignments after you complete the deletion. When the deletion options appear, open the Transfer Now drop-down. This is where you choose who will take ownership of the records previously assigned to the user. It's best practice to transfer ownership to an active user with the right role and profile to avoid permission issues. Think through ownership for leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, and events. Assigning everything to a team lead or a service account can keep reporting consistent and prevent records from falling through the cracks. If your team uses territory management or assignment rules, make sure the recipient aligns with those structures. If you don't want to transfer anything, select Delete without transfer. Use this only when the user truly has no records to move or when your organization is comfortable with how unassigned records will be handled. In many scenarios, Zoho CRM expects you to transfer ownership first, especially if the user has active records. Deleting without transfer can leave data unassigned or create gaps in your pipeline, so proceed carefully and confirm the implications with your team if you're unsure. To finish, click Delete to confirm. Zoho CRM will process the change, revoke the user's access, and apply your selected transfer option. Return to the users list to confirm they no longer appear under active users. If you chose to transfer records, spot check a few leads or deals to verify that ownership now reflects the new user. This quick audit ensures your reports, dashboards, and workflows continue to run smoothly. That's it. You've successfully deleted a user in Zoho CRM. As a final housekeeping step, update any internal documentation, notify stakeholders who collaborate with that user, and review assignment rules, email templates, and workflows to remove any lingering references. If you manage licenses closely, you can now reassign the freed seat to a new teammate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay sections as you follow along in your own CRM.